What if a single crypto token could merge political spectacle with financial frenzy and rewrite the rules on how power, money, and hype collide? That's WLFI. Buckle up, because on September 1st, the Trump family's latest digital bombshell goes live. 1. WLFI 101, a glimpse into the crypto-political nexus. Let's start simple. WLFI stands for World Liberty Financial's governance token, tightly linked to the Trump family's expanding crypto empire. It's built on Ethereum's Layer 2 using Aave v3 tech, merging DeFi innovation with political drama. In March 2025, WLF rolled out OneUSD, a dollar-pegged stablecoin backed by US Treasuries and cash, signaling a shift toward hybrid financial systems. WLF's structure? Trump-linked entities control 60% of the holding company, get 75% of token sale revenue, and the Trump family holds a massive 22.5 billion WLFI tokens. That's not small change, it's control. What's wild? The title, Founder Emeritus for Trump and his sons, retroactively added and more PR than actual leadership. 2. Timeline and mechanics, from pre-sale to public unleashing. Here's how WLFI built momentum. October 2024, WLF begins its WLFI pre-sale, raising about $550 million from accredited investors. Funding rounds. Additional fundraising meant total capital raised is closer to $590 million. Token supply. There's a fixed 100 billion WLFI total. Fast forward to August 25th, when the WLFI lockbox, an audited smart contract setup by Cypherin, opened. Investors must move their tokens to it, resetting their wallet balance to zero temporarily. September 1st at 8 a.m. Eastern Time, trading and claims go live. Early investors unlock 20% of their allocation. The remaining 80% remains locked, pending a governance vote to release it. 3. Valuation and pre-launch hype. The T on token mania. Pre-launch trading has fueled some dizzying numbers. Perpetual futures traded at about 42 cents, suggesting a $40 billion fully diluted valuation, FDV. A price target of $1 has been floated by analysts, eyeing an FDV of $100 billion, more than Bitcoin or Ethereum behind it. Early institutional backers included DWF Labs, $25 million investment at 10 cents, Aqua One Fund, $100 million at 0.125, Alt 5 Sigma, NASDAQ listed, $1.5 billion at 20 cents to create the first WLFI treasury, echoing MicroStrategy's Bitcoin strategy. Add in the USD-1 stablecoin's backing by a $2 billion investment from an Abu Dhabi state fund, and we're seeing real-world asset backing, or looks like it. 4. Reality check. Hype, skepticism, and ethical tempest. Here's where drama meets scrutiny. Some analyst voices warn of Ponzi-like mechanics, scarcity, hype, politics wrapped in DeFi packaging. World Liberty's tie to USD, one creates a feedback loop. Treasury yield from stablecoin, buys and burns WLFI, deflationary, but does it build real value or just engineered hype? Ethics concerns? WLF's rapid accumulation of wealth, $412.5 million by August 2025, and access to foreign investors with controversial records have raised alarms. Notably, Chinese billionaire Justin Sun pumped in tens of millions, and soon after, the SEC seemingly dropped an investigation into him. The co-founder, Zach Witkoff, has ties to Abu Dhabi investment deals, with ethics experts questioning the mix of private enterprise and policy. Add the Genius Act that streamlined stablecoin regulation, now signed into law under Trump. This isn't just crypto, it's policy shaping in real time. 5. Real-world drama, power, policy, and paydays. This is bigger than DeFi, it's a geopolitical play. WLF has partnered with Crypto.com, launching a token treasury, wallet integration, and new infrastructure. Media reports have dubbed WLF eviscerating the boundary between private enterprise and government, unprecedented in modern US history. Investigations reveal WLF's promoters orchestrated access deals and deals with ethically questionable individuals. One even got a presidential pardon. Why this matters to you in real life. For the casual viewer, This isn't just a token, it's reality TV meets Wall Street. Will WLFI soar, crash, or reshape financial theater? For crypto enthusiasts, token mechanics, scarcity, governance models, this is a case study in engineered hype versus measurable utility. For watchdogs and skeptics, this is the ultimate ethical tightrope. Political influence, insider advantages, and regulation bending. This saga's spotlight is on governance. For storytellers, imagine WLFI as a Marvel crossover, politics as the villain, finance as the hero, but where nobody's sure who's saving whom. Pause. Picture waking up on September 1st to see WLFI trading on Binance. Would you FOMO in or watch from the rim? It's like an action thriller. There's a countdown, insider hooks, foreign investments, and at any moment, the plot could explode or implode. Ask your audience, when hype meets politics, does it lead to innovation or chaos? A surprising entry into the crypto market. Donald Trump has always been a figure who dominates headlines, whether in politics, business, or media. But his move into cryptocurrency with the launch of WLFI, World Liberty Financial, has taken even seasoned investors by surprise. This isn't just another meme coin or hype-driven launch. It comes at a time when the crypto market is regaining momentum after a long bear run, and Trump's entry could act as a catalyst for broader mainstream adoption. Why Trump? Why crypto? Trump has always branded himself as a disruptor. From building skyscrapers with his name in gold letters to becoming the 45th president of the United States, his career has been defined by bold, unconventional moves. The crypto industry mirrors that spirit. It's disruptive, volatile, and challenges the establishment. By launching WLFI, Trump isn't just testing financial waters. He's signaling to his supporters and the world that crypto is the new frontier of power and wealth. The role of political influence in crypto. One major difference between Trump's crypto launch and countless other projects is the political weight behind it. Trump commands millions of loyal followers who trust him, not just as a politician, but as a brand. This means that WLFI could achieve what most coins fail to do: instantly build a strong, dedicated community. Historically, community support has made or broken cryptocurrencies. Take Dogecoin and Shiba Inu as examples. Now imagine that kind of energy, but tied to a political icon. The market impact, what could change? The launch of WLFI may influence not just traders, but also policymakers. Trump has often expressed skepticism towards centralized financial systems and regulations that stifle innovation. If WLFI gains traction, it could put pressure on lawmakers to reconsider crypto policies, especially if Trump uses his political platform to push for crypto-friendly legislation. This makes WLFI not just a coin, but potentially a political tool for shaping the future of finance. Real-world scenarios. Could it work? Let's take an example. Imagine a Trump rally where instead of donations flowing in USD, people contribute in $WLFI. This creates a self-sustaining political economy, a way to fuel campaigns, reward loyalists, and keep money circulating within a dedicated ecosystem. In a world where political funding is under heavy scrutiny, crypto offers a level of transparency and decentralization that could appeal to both supporters and critics. The speculative hype factor. We can't ignore the speculative nature of crypto. Many investors will flock to $WLFI not because they believe in the technology, but because they expect it to pump. Historically, whenever a celebrity or high-profile figure backs a coin, the initial hype leads to explosive short-term growth. The question is, can WLFI sustain that momentum, or will it become another pump and dump? With Trump's name behind it, the chances of staying relevant are much higher than with most meme coins. Future possibilities beyond WLFI. The launch of Trump's crypto could trigger a wave of political coins. Imagine other leaders or parties launching their own tokens to engage supporters, raise funds, or create digital economies. We might be witnessing the start of a new era where politics and blockchain merge. This trend could reshape not only crypto markets, but also the very way democracy functions, introducing ideas like token-based voting, transparent campaign financing, and community-driven governance. So here we stand, on the front line of a crypto spectacle foretold to change the game. September 1st is more than a date. It's a moment, a test of hype, power, and innovation. Will WLFI redefine DEFI? Will it collapse under its own spectacle? Time's the only judge we trust. If you crave the drama, the insight, and the pulse of the future, don't just watch, like, subscribe, share, and spark the conversation. Because this story, it's only just begun.